All right. How's everybody doing? I really don't know how to do this. Oh boy. Let's get my coffee. That'll be a good start. Happy New Year, everybody. Hopefully you're all well. How's it going? What's up? What's new? What's happening? How we been? It's been a while since I've been on the internet. Life stuff happens, and then time goes by, and before you know it, it's another new year. I hope you all have some good resolutions, New Year's resolutions for this next year. Hope you got a lot of hard work ahead of you. I know I do. I haven't been on the internet in a while. Had a family emergency, so I had to go up to Seattle for a couple months. Now I'm back. Can't seem to really get into any video games yet, but it's a new year. We'll try some different things out. I'd really like to get into some Red Dead Redemption. Do a little cowboy video for my pops. That could be fun, yeah? Let's go out and see what it's like outside, eh? I bet it's gonna be cold. Whoa. Oh, son of a gun. Guess I toasted it last night. Good to know. Put some shoes on, eh? So when it comes to gaming, I like me some gaming. I do me some gaming. My gaming room, full of gaming stuff. Gaming computer, streaming computer, visualization computer. This is what I can see stuff on. Yeah. So hopefully you guys will see me do some racing. You guys will see me do all kinds of good stuff. I really don't use the VR headset very much because I don't. This is a stream of consciousness kind of video, I guess. Let's go put these shoes on, because shoes are cool. Cool shoe. You know what I mean? No. Yes? Maybe? I'll tell you what. If you do know what I mean, good on you. I'm gonna have to go to the store. I'm gonna have to try to start my car. Yesterday my car just said nope. Sounds like a starter, but I can't imagine why, other than it's old and needs a new starter. Maybe that's it. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is go to the store. Really though, Happy New Year. Thank you all very much for supporting my channel, watching my videos. I'm gonna put some videos up this year. All the same, I probably am not going to be able to stream as much as I did last year, but I'll work out some kind of scenario where it all makes some sense. Word. All right, what up everybody? What's up everybody? How y'all doing? All right, welcome. Appreciate you. Hello and welcome to the show. Hello and welcome. How y'all doing? I'm Shane. Hello and welcome. Hello, everybody. All right. Hello, everybody. Here we are.